All right. Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so next, we want to look at icons. Okay. For icons, this helps us to communicate through symbols. Okay. Now, most of you might not have this with your version of Word, especially if you have 20 16 coming down. Okay, maybe with 2024 or 365, yeah, you would have it. All right. Okay, but yet still, it's a good idea that you are familiar with it. So what icons actually do is they help you to communicate um, a message visually with symbols. Okay, let's say you have an audience that is not maybe these are people who cannot read written words, right? Okay, they cannot read written words. Maybe they don't go to school or whatsoever. All right. Okay, so but then you can, when they see a message in the form of a symbol, they are able to decode what that message is about. For example, if you want to say smoking is not allowed around this area, okay, maybe if you do that symbol, then when the person sees, he or she will know that, okay, I should not smoke within this zone. All right, so that's what we use icons for. So to insert an icon, you click on icons. Now this is going to open up a search bar for you, the similar to the sorry for that. Okay, sorry for that interruption. All right. Yes, so let's say I want to insert for no smoking, but before that, here you can see we have a host of icons here. Maybe we are familiar with some. Okay, so this one indicates what? Contact, and these ones as well. So this one I know is talking of what? Time, okay, then maybe this one is saying, okay, this is an aeroplane symbol, okay, so maybe you are approaching uh, an airport or whatsoever, okay, so you have a host of all the symbols here. Okay, and each one tries to communicate a message. Okay, so let's say I want one for no smoking, so I'll type in here no smoking, then press enter. Wow, it did not match. Why? Let me just say, okay, so let me try something else. No overtaking, right? Okay, that's also not available. Then what is available? Okay, let me think of something else. Let me think of something else. Okay, I think I can go to images and I would say no smoking. Wow, that's also not working. Okay, but then all right, so but if that doesn't work, then now you can just go to the default ones available and you try to get it from those, yeah, just try to go through these ones and see if you can get it from those. All right, So basically that's what they are all about. Then you can insert it. Okay, so then as usual, graphics format, you can make adjustments to it, okay, as we have seen before, okay, to with shapes and other objects. All right, so we're moving on. Now next we have smart chart. Okay, so let's see what smart charts are. So insert a smart chart graphic to visually communicate information. Okay, smart graphics range from graphic lists and process diagrams to complex graphics such as Venn diagrams and organizational charts. So this helps you to represent information, graphically. Okay, it helps you to communicate graphically. All right, from representing processes, all right, uh, to what organizational charts or showing a hierarchy. Okay, all right, for teachers, we have one particular important graphic here called a food web. Those that will teach science will know. Okay, and some other graphical diagrams that you may want to insert, so those are available here on the smart art. Okay, so they are in groups, so I want to use one particular one to quickly draw the Gambian flag. Okay, so this one, just going to adjust it a little bit here. Okay, right, this one as well. So if it's all about creativity, if you are creative, you can actually use these shapes to do great things, huh? Yeah, so for me, I think the Gambia flag is the only thing that I know how to do here, huh? But I know you are all creative people, so yeah. So now what I do, this fill colors, I just try to adjust those. So I go to format, shape fill. This one will be red, this one blue, and then this one is green. So now I'll have the Gambian flag. So I can type GMB, huh? Yeah. So yes, now I have my nice Gambian flag, huh? Yeah, so you go in there, there are a lot of shapes there, so depending on what you need, a hierarchy sort of or whatsoever, all right, okay, or pyramids, so whatever shape or whatever information that you may want to represent graphically, you would have a template for that here. And the nice thing is that you can always rearrange these things, huh? You can always adjust. Okay, so you see, you can always adjust the diagrams to suit your need. Okay, all right, so that is with smart art graphics. So remember also for them to, as soon as the object is selected, you have two additional tabs: design, okay, where you have an option to change the structure of the diagram in totality, and also format, okay, where you can do some adjustments.